bye bye Singapore, and I'm leaving Singapore because some problem in Singapore which I'm going to discuss in this video later after reaching to the destination, and I will let you know why I am leaving after 13 years living. We started our journey by getting ready for the big trip to Changi Airport. As you know, Changi is one of the top airport in the world, absolutely stunning in design and functionality. We booked a taxi to get there and ride was smooth as always. Once we After we get down from the taxi, we took a trolley to keep our luggage and went inside. And this is Singapore Changi Airport, one of the nice view. After we arrived at Changi, we noticed something unexpected, and it was super crowded. The queue for the boarding pass was really long, but thankfully we have arrived on time, so we didn't have to worry. We have enough time to check in our baggage and collect our boarding pass. This is very shocking thing and surprising thing, but I will let you know why we are leaving Singapore, what is the reason behind it, where we are moving, where we are living. So everything I'm going to tell in this video. This time we flew with Indigo Airlines, and it was 6 hour journey from Singapore to Delhi. Now by this time I think you might have guessed where we are going. Yes, correct, and it was India. It was almost 6 hour journey from Singapore to Delhi. We got our tickets. Now we are moving to the immigration counter. Here we got things a little tricky. Unlike our usual Air India flight, Indigo didn't provide food and blanket. And guess what happened? We didn't pack anything. I mean, we thought to take so many things, and always we keep something for the kids. But this time we didn't keep anything. Maybe we were expecting like Air India, Indigo also will provided food, but this is not the case. Even we forgot also. So it's almost like we were starving there, what to eat, what not to eat. But we ended with spending 100, 1000, 1500 rupees in Indian currency, and I would say there was no blanket, no food provided. Even the staff was very decent, and they were listening, and whenever we are pressing the button they were coming, but definitely it was very much thing. Then finally we reached to India. We get down at the Indian airport, and from there we book our taxi immediately to our parents, and it's a Diwali time. So I came to my parents' home, that is in India, and yeah, I'm really missing India because there is no one to do puja at home. And today is Diwali, and we are going to celebrate here, and this is one of the reason we came here. So first let's enjoy the puja and do the crackers burning. We will show you how it's look like here in India. My brother and all our family reached home almost at the last moment. We didn't have much time to decorate, but we managed to keep things simple yet beautiful. We used a few Diwali sticker, and to our surprise, they look quite good and bright. Brought the festive vibe to the house. We make sure to keep up the important traditions. We pray God Lakshmi, God Ganesha. He symbolizes health, wealth, and prosperity. It always such a peaceful moment, and it reminds us to say thankful for everything we have. Lighting diyas was our favorite part of the evening. Diwali is still about removing evil and bad energy. And of course, Diwali without some crackers are very incomplete. So we burn few sparkles, crackers, and small crackers to keep festive spirit alive. It was so much fun seeing excitement on the kids' face. It remind me on my childhood days. And now you can see some of the games how we celebrated. Now moving on to the next day, we visit one of the wholesome market because we are planning to start some of the small retail business. It's still in early stage, so I haven't officially started yet.
कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम? We are going Sadar Bazaar market for what? For purchasing for some new things. Explore market for our. It's a secret.
So guys, we are going to the Sadar market for some of the secret things. Later I'm going to tell you for what. Let's start. Preparations already started for the small business, but officially is not started. So I'm going to share more details in another video once it get ready and we. हम गलत बस स्टॉप पे उतर गए थे. We get on at the wrong metro station. Now we are taking bus and from there we are going. Basically, we are going to check few products where we can get things in retail. Take it. She's a leader. And important thing today for women is free because of festival. क्या नहीं पता. Hi, Imani. Nice. So we saw one of the retail shop and there were lot of options, but we were confused what we have to select. But no choice, we have to start somewhere. That's at least good starting. Moving to the next day, which festival it is called Govardhan, which is celebrated for the Govardhan mountain, which is a cow dung, and this is considered one of the pure and spacious mountain during the Krishna timing that we are celebrating, and we also burn crackers. Do you know where we're going?
We're going to Nani house.
Nani house.
Yeah.
Okay, you're happy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's. So some preparations you can see over here, and yes, it's a grab pravesh because my brother has taken one of the new built koti or home or bungalow, which is very costly, expensive, and they are doing grab pravesh because we have to, before starting cooking we have to do some puja, then only we can do. It's kind of a small havan where the main relatives were called, they coming together and giving blessing for starting their new journey for the home. So these preparations you can see, there is so many preparations. The pandit was coming and he is bringing, and all family members are sitting together doing puja over here, and these two person are the main one. Now moving to our next destination, this is a place where we have done some kind of investment. We have purchased one investment which is almost going to start now, and it is 5-year project, and I am glad to tell you the benefit what I have got. let's say for example if I spend 100 rupees, I already got 20%. That means the rate is already increased by 20%. So the rate of this property is 120 rupees. So you can consider like how much benefit you can get, and see the balance of this property. This is also we are going to one of the another project, but same Signature Global. So here the also the same concept, you will be going to reflect or show a project how it's look like. There we got an idea or options like how your bedroom, your washroom, your kitchen, all dining room, hall, everything, how it may be look like. So there will be some dummy model will be there, which will help you to give a right view how your apartment may look like, and all the details what you really require they will pass you. If you are not able to come to India to visit this one, there will be agent, and we will help you to contact them, and you can directly talk with the property dealer how you have to invest and how you can double your investment. And before investment you have to see and go through all the risk what you may face also, because this is sure is my own experience, and you also have to do other.
Seat. I can see it. And one people were sitting into.
हमारे से स्मॉल बेड एंट्री कौन सी अभी राइस
एंट्री कहाँ से? इसको ना लाली यार तो मॉडल
भैया
One more toilet here.
एंट्री मतलब एंट्री कहाँ से ये वाला यहाँ से ना इनकी साइज हमारी
Can I see people? Wait, come here. Can you see?
So now we are going to the third place. This is very budget friendly. People who really don't have much budget, they can go for it, because for this one the space will be very limited, and it will be like a 3-story 4-story, but this is also very spacious. I personally like it. For one family or few more people is really enough. This is some examples or some decorations or some sample room they have built, so that you can have the good idea how the unit may look like. You can see it's very spacious, because they want to tell the customer how you can design your home, how you can design your hall, everything, room, bedroom. So I really like it. You see the way, the luxurious way they have decorated, but you will be given empty unit. You have to decorate as per your own budget. So that you have to think, because after buying the apartment you need to spend few. So by having this view of this simple unit, you may have idea like how it may be. So we went to few of the unit or few of the site to see how the investment can be. So if you are looking for this kind of investment, you can contact us. We can guide you as per your own budget. So next come to my friend. She's my one of the best friend, and I really must be seeing every time I go India. She really miss me, and we all definitely meet us. So we went to one of the simple restaurant, Bubble restaurant. This is very local near restaurant, not the famous one, but that is famous nearby local. So I was really literally waiting for snacks, which is very famous for our side, uh, like uh, like this cutlet. I think this we can get in Singapore, but chow mein was my favorite. And now my friend husband came ready because he got little late. We ordered our dinner. It was so yummy. And the rasmalai, my favorite one. So on the next day, we went to my brother home because my mother-in-law, she wanted to take a look, and I also wanted to show you. So some of the glimpse I will show you now, but in next video, which will be brand new video, I'm gonna share you how the unit look like, what is the cost of this one, whether it's reasonable or not. And now it's emotional time to leave from the India. And yes, it's really touching moment because going from India we really miss everything. It's like our emotions are there, and it's very touching for us to leave India, but no choice, we have to keep moving on. And the worst thing happened, we reached airport bit late, but somehow we were managed to enter inside, and it was our last ticket from that counter because after that counter almost closed already. We went to the airport and we boarded our flight. This is same flight Indigo, but this time we are prepared, we brought food already. Now I wanted, the flight was very decent, the staff was very decent, they were listening, and now it's time to